I wanted to show you how to use your Canvas course to access course material. So go to the home page. By the way, you've got the survey that's appearing right here. But go to modules, click on modules, and now it opens up the modules. Let's go up to the top, and at the top you see course materials. I've got the Achieve ebook, which is available to you, and it is an online textbook. Here are all the chapters, and if I go into, let's say, gases here, see gas pressure, Boyle's law, Charles' law, etc., which are all subjects that we will be covering this semester. Let's go back to modules, and if we, we'll go ahead and reduce that. We go to science and measurement. If you want to access the PowerPoint notes, just go right up here to the top. This has all kinds of things in the unit of science and measurement. The objectives. Here are your PowerPoint lectures, the first two PowerPoint notes. If you simply click on the first one, this is the one we looked at first day of class. And you see, and they look pretty much the same. I've doctored them up a little bit, made them look a little bit different, but it's really very much the same. So let's go back. We'll go back to the modules. You see that your first quiz is loaded up in here. This quiz is a Canvas quiz. And so if I open that up, it is not going to be available until the 17th, so I'm expecting to get through a little bit more material. I'll make sure that that's appropriate for you. You can't see these right now. This is looking at my particular version of it. The adaptive quizzes are available here, and they should be available to you now. They are in Achieve. Here's your homework assignment, your first one, and it's a math review, and then this is the Chapter 1 assignment, and they're both currently due on January the 24th, which gives you about 10 days to get that done. So let's go ahead and click on Math Review, and let's see what we see. You get these three boxes: trial, enroll, and verify enrollment. You should already be enrolled. You should never hit a pay window. Don't pay $1. It's paid for. Let's go ahead and click verify enrollment, and this box opens up that says academic email used during enrollment. Use your Texas State username email, not your alias. Go ahead and put that username email in here, verify enrollment status, and then you should be good to go. Let me know if there are any problems. You can also, let's go to student view, which is what you see rather than what I see. In modules, you can see that these assignments are available to you. And you can also go to assignments over here to the far left, and you can see all the upcoming assignments with their due dates right here. So that is everything that you need to know about using Canvas at this point in time. If you have any difficulty accessing the Achieve homework or the Achieve adaptive quizzes, please let me know. I will try and keep the most relevant and current material up here toward the top. So this is our first unit, science and measurement. And again, just to open it up, this first link is where you get to all of your resources. All right, and that should do it. Okay.